Hello friends, now I'll be reading a general dictation on the topic of global warming at the speed of 80 words per minute in 5 seconds. Begin. Global warming is a term that has become increasingly prevalent in modern times. But what exactly does it mean? At its core, global warming refers to the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature. This is primarily caused by the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which traps heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. These gases include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, all of which are released through human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and agriculture. The science behind global warming is based on the fundamental principle of physics and chemistry. As the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases, so too does the Earth's temperature. This is known as the greenhouse effect, and it is a natural process that has been occurring on our planet for millions of years. However, the problem today is that the concentration of these gases is increasing at an alarming rate, primarily as a result of human activities. The most significant contributor to global warming is carbon dioxide, which is primarily through the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These fuels are used to power our cars, homes, and industries, but they also release a significant amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide traps heat from the sun and causes the Earth's temperature to rise, leading to a range of dangerous consequences such as melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent and severe weather events. It is important to understand the science behind global warming because it helps us to understand the urgent need for action. We need to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions to prevent further damage to our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Global warming, also known as climate change, is having a devastating impact on our planet. The effects of global warming are widespread and far-reaching, with some of the most immediate and visible consequences being melting glaciers and rising sea levels. As the polar ice caps continue to melt, there is a risk of low-lying areas being flooded, leading to the displacement of millions of people. Global warming is also causing extreme weather patterns with more frequent and severe storms, droughts, and heat waves. These weather patterns are not only dangerous for humans but also have a significant impact on wildlife and ecosystems. Severe droughts can cause crops to fail, leading to food shortages and famine in some parts of the world. Another effect of global warming is the acidification of oceans, which is caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This is having a significant impact on marine life, particularly on coral reefs, which are dying at an alarming rate. Overall, the impact of global warming on the planet is undeniable, and urgent action is needed to address this issue. We must reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, protect our natural resources, and promote sustainable practices to ensure a healthy and habitable planet for future generations. The impact of global warming on wildlife is devastating. Many species are struggling to survive due to the drastic changes in their natural habitats, resulting in a loss of biodiversity. The polar bear, for example, is one such species that is particularly vulnerable to the effects of global warming. The melting of sea ice due to warmer temperatures has led to a decline in the polar bear population as they rely on the ice for hunting and breeding. Birds are also affected by global warming. Changes in climate patterns have resulted in a shift in migratory patterns, leading to a decline in bird populations. This in turn disrupts ecosystems and can lead to a chain reaction of negative impacts. Marine life is also affected by global warming. As ocean temperatures rise, coral reefs are dying off, leading to a loss of habitat for numerous marine species. This can lead to a loss of food sources for larger marine life, which can then lead to a decline in their populations. It is important to remember that wildlife plays an integral role in our planet's ecosystem. Without them, we would be facing a catastrophic loss of biodiversity, which could have long-lasting effects on our planet. By taking action to reduce our carbon footprint and protect our environment, we can help to mitigate the effects of global warming and protect our wildlife for future generations to come. Global warming is not just affecting the climate and weather patterns on land, it is also having a significant impact on the world's oceans. The ocean helps regulate our climate, provides a home for millions of species, and is a vital source of food and livelihood for millions of people around the world. However, the rising temperature caused by global warming are causing significant changes to the ocean's ecosystem. Stop. Please join the Telegram group in the comment section for the PDF. Thank you.